Hello everyone, how are you? Devjyoti here from abc.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can take live class with the help of Tutor LMS and Zoom plugin. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how you can integrate Zoom with the Tutor LMS in very simple step. When some student enroll the course, by just a single click they can connect with the Zoom live class. They can easily see the meeting time, meeting duration, meeting password and the host name. They just have to click in this continue to the meeting option. Even as a course creator or as an admin or as an instructor, you can integrate Zoom meeting in a lesson also. As you can see here, this oral test, let's open that. So as you can see here, in the lesson also you can integrate the Zoom meeting. Normally this Zoom meeting integration actually available only for the Tutor LMS Pro version. As you can see, for the Tutor LMS Pro, if I click in the add-on, here you can see this Zoom integration option is available. Okay, but as you can see here, only Tutor LMS plugin installed here. It is not Pro version. As you can see here, upgrade to Pro version is available here. So it's the free version, not the Pro version. And here if I click on the add-on, here you can see for every add-on you can see the log icon. Means it is available only in the Pro version. As you can see here, Tutor LMS integration, it is available only for the Pro version. But don't worry, I will teach you by using only free version of the Tutor LMS also how you can integrate the Zoom meeting. You have to follow some extra step, but finally you can integrate the Zoom in free version of Tutor LMS also. So this tutorial will be divided in two parts. So in the first half I will discuss how to integrate Zoom with the Tutor LMS Pro version, and in the second half I will teach you how you can integrate this Zoom live class with your Tutor LMS free version. And my humble request, please watch this video tutorial from starting to end without skipping, so you can easily understand the entire process in detail. So that is my dashboard and that is my website. In my previous video tutorial, I already teach you how to create this kind of professional looking LMS website by using edublink theme and Tutor LMS. If you want to watch that, by clicking in the I button you can watch that. Else I'll give the link in the video description. From there also you can watch that tutorial. I highly recommend watch that video tutorial, because by watching that video tutorial you can understand the complete step how to create this kind of professional LMS website, means learning management system website. So let's come back to this video tutorial. So as you can see here, I already installed the Tutor LMS. So now I have to install the Tutor LMS Pro version. So for that, first of all I have to click in the plugins. So as you can see here, only Tutor LMS is available. So adding a new plugin, first of all I have to click in this add plugin option, and after that I have to click in the upload plugin. So in the next step you have to open a new tab and let me search for the Tutor LMS Pro. So that is the link, you have to click on that. Come back to the pricing. Now from here you can choose the individual, business or agency plan, and it's available for the lifetime plan also. So according to your need you can purchase that. I already purchased that, so I'm not going to buy it again. And for your practice purpose, actually the Tutor LMS Pro plugin link I will give you in the video description. So from there you can directly download and install it in your website. Okay, remember that's for only practice purpose. Okay, I highly recommend buy the plugin. So next you have to click in the choose file. So that is my Tutor LMS Pro plugin. Select that, click in the open, and after that I have to click in the install now option. So it will take some time to install the plugin. So now I have to click in the activate plugin option. So now you can see it's become Tutor LMS Pro. Okay, so from here you have to click in the add-on option. Now from here you can see lot of add-on is available. You have to enable this option, Zoom integration. Just enable that like that. So as you can see, Zoom integration already enabled. I mean you can see in the active add-on you can see this Zoom integration, and even here also you can see one extra option get added. As you can see here, Zoom extra option get added. So I have to click on that. So now I need the API keys. So for that let me click in this Zoom website. Now let me click in the sign in. So after to successfully sign in, this page will open. After that you have to click in this develop option, and from here you have to click in this build app. Now from here you have to choose this server to server WAT app. After that you have to click in the create option. So it asking the app name, you can give any name, and after that you have to click in the create option. After that this page will open. Now from here don't copy anything, directly click in the continue option, and from here you have to enter the short description, and after that you have to enter the company name also. So here company name also I'm giving OABC tips, you can give anything, okay. After that here you have to enter your name, and after that in the email ID you have to enter the email ID. Next you have to click in this continue option. Here also no need to do anything, just click in the continue again. So now this page will open. So from here actually I have to add some scope. Next do one thing, open a new tab and search for the Tutor LMS Zoom Integration documentation. So this link will open. Anyway, this link I'll give in the video description. So from there you can directly click and open this page. Now from here you have to click in this Zoom Integration. Now just scroll down. So here you can see some meeting scope, okay. So what you have to do, you have to add all this scope one after one, okay. So for adding, just copy till token. I mean don't copy this clone and admin, okay. Just copy it, come back here, click in the add scope, and here in the search box you have to paste that. So you can see this option is coming, just select and click in the done option. So similarly here also just copy it till here, come back here, click in the add scope, search here, and after that two options is displaying, select them and click in the done option. So in this way let me add all the meeting scope. Now for some of the scope you can see I'm copying it, come back here, click in the add scope, and when I'm pasting it you can see those options are already selected, so no need to do anything, just click in the done option for them. So I already added all the scopes for the meeting. Now for the recording also I have to add some scope. The process is quite same, just you have to copy this. So next come back here, click in the add scope and search here. So let me choose this one, and after that for this second one also just copy it, come back, click in the add scope, and from here let me choose these two and click in the done option. So next I have to add the scope for the user. So these are the user scope. So in the same way let me add them also. So you have to copy, come back here, click in the add scope, search for the scope, and these two options is coming, and after selecting them just click in the done option. So let me add all of them also. So in this way after adding all the scope for the user, next in the similar manner I have to copy the scope for the webinars also in the same process. So let me add them one after one. So after that this one, click in the add scope. So now from here let me choose this, click in the done. Now for the next one, copy it, come back here, click in the add scope, paste it here, and from here I'm choosing this. After that for this one, copy, come back here, click in the add scope, and from here I'm choosing these two options. After that for this one also, copy, come back, click in the add scope, and from here I'm choosing this. Scroll down, I have to choose this also. So click in the done, and make sure you choose all the scope perfectly, because if you mistakenly not add anything, then maybe the Zoom integration will not work for you also. So now for this one, these two, and after that copy this, come back here, click in the plus option, paste it here, and I'm choosing these two, done. And for the last one also just copy that, come back, click in the add scope, paste it here, choosing them, click in the done option. So now after that, as you can see, I already added all the required scope. So next you have to click in the continue option, and after that you have to click in the activate your app. So once you activate it, now you have to come back to the app credential. Next just copy that, come back here. So here I have to paste it. Next copy this client ID, and here you have to paste the client ID. After that copy this client secret, come back here and paste it here. After that you have to click in the save and check connection. So now you can see success message and you are in live now. Okay, so now you can integrate Zoom meeting in your courses. So I already create some courses. So now let me open one courses, and how to create the courses and all the thing I already discussed in my previous video. If you want, you can watch that. So let me open this course. Now here, if you come to this additional option, here you can see create a Zoom meeting option is displaying here. Before it was not there, but now after adding successfully all the APIs, it's coming here. Okay, so let me click in that, and from here I am giving the meeting name. You can give any name. After that you have to give the summary of the meeting. Next, meeting date, suppose on 20th November, and after that starting time, suppose 1:30 p.m. Meeting duration you can mention here like 30 minutes, and if you want to mention in hour you can do that also, suppose 1 hour, like that. After that you have to choose the time zone. So I'm from India, so let me search for the Kolkata. So that is my time zone. You want to record this meeting or not, you can choose it from here. And if you want to record, then you want to record in cloud or in the local device, you can choose that also. Suppose I don't want to record, so no recording I'm choosing. If any password is required for the meeting, you can enter it here. So after that, meeting host, it already chosen because I already successfully integrate all the APIs and everything. So after that you have to click in the create meeting option. So as you can see, I successfully create one meeting. Okay, so in this way you can add a Zoom meeting in the course. Now if you come to the curriculum, inside the topic also, as a lesson, you can create a Zoom meeting. So for that, here you can see this 3 dot are displaying. Click on that, and here you can see the Zoom live session is there. So click on that. So after that, the process is same. I have to enter the Zoom meeting name. After that, I have to enter the meeting description if you want. Okay, and after that, meeting date, suppose 29th. After that, starting time, suppose 1:30 a.m. and the meeting duration is 20 minutes. Time zone is India, so I'm searching Kolkata. This one. Recording, suppose no recording. So after that, password, suppose enter a password, and after that you have to click in the create meeting. So in this way you can create a meeting inside the topic also. So as you can see, this meeting is already added inside this topic. Okay, so hope you understand how to create a meeting. So now let me click on the update, and after let me preview the course. So as you can see, this Zoom meeting is successfully integrated here in this course. So now student have to just click in the continue to meeting option, and once they click on that, this page will open. So from there they can click in the start meeting, else if Zoom app is integrated, then they can directly click in the join in the Zoom app. I already have my Zoom app, so let me click on that. After that, click in the open. This window already come. If I click in the start option, so as you can see, the participant 1 is coming and Zoom meeting already started. So in this way any student can join in the Zoom meeting. So let me close it and click in the end meeting for all. So in this way any student can join in the Zoom meeting. Okay, so now let me teach you, when you using Tutor LMS free version, then how you can integrate Zoom meeting, because by default Zoom meeting integration is available only for the paid version of the Tutor LMS Pro. So let me do one thing. I am going to plug in, and from here I am totally deactivating Tutor LMS Pro. Now let me delete that also. So for that, click in the delete option, click in the OK. So now you can see you have Tutor LMS, and in the Tutor LMS Zoom integration is totally not possible. Let me open the course. Let me open a course. Suppose I am opening this one. Now here if I come to the additional, here you can see this Zoom meeting option is not available. Before it was here, but Now there is no Zoom meeting option is available. Even if I come to the curriculum, here also if I click on that, this Zoom meeting and the Google Meet session, everything is available only for the Pro version it displaying. Okay, so you unable to add the Zoom meeting here directly, but there is a process. Let me teach you. So for that actually I have to add a plugin. So hover on the plugin and after that you have to click in the add plugin option. Now from here search for video conferencing with Zoom. So now here you can see this video conferencing with Zoom by Diven Bhattacharya. You have to click in the install now option. So after installing done, you have to click in the activate option for activating the plugin. So now you have to hover on this new option called Zoom event and after that you have to click in the settings option. Now from here first of all open the documentation. Now from here let me click in the installation and after that click in the setup. So here also you can see I have to first build the app. So first of all let me open this page in a new tab. I mean this page. Okay. So from there I have to hover on this develop option and click in the build app and I have to choose server to server OAuth app. Click in the create. I am giving the app name as Tutor LMS -app. You can give any name. Okay. After that I have to click in the create option. This page will come. So let me click in the continue option. If you want to add any description always you can do it. After that the company name. Suppose I am entering web SEO tips. Next the developer contact information and email ID you have to enter. I already entered it. Okay. So let me click in the continue option. After that again you have to click in the continue option. Now here actually I have to add some scope. If you come back to this documentation page, just scroll down little bit. So here actually you can see all the scope what I required. So from here what you have to do, you have to copy till that. Okay, I mean after slash what is there you have to copy that. So after copying you have to come back here, click in the add scope and from here you have to paste that, choose that, click in the done. Similarly copy this, come back here, add scope, paste it, choose that and click in the done option. So one after one you have to add all the scope like that. Select that, click in the done option. So I don't want to make the video length longer, so let me add all of them. Means I have to add all these actually. For recording also I have to add the scope, even for the report, for the user I have to add all of them. Okay, till that for the webinars also I have to add all the scope. So hope you understand, it will take lot of time. So let me watch the video and add all the scope and after that I will come back. So I already added all the scope. So as you can see here I totally added 61 scope. For you it may be 62 or 63. Okay, so let me click in the done and after it's saved click in the continue option and after that I have to click in the activate your app. So once it activated, now I have to come back to the app credential. Now copy the account ID, come back here. So here you can see the OAuth account ID, just paste it here. Copy the client ID, here I have to paste it and copy the client secret, come back here and paste it. Once done you have to click in the save option. Now I have to create one meeting SDK app also and after that I have to add the credential. So for that again come back here, hover on that, click on the build app and here you can see the general app is there, just click on that. After that I have to click on the create option. So after that this page will open. So from here I have to select this one, admin manage. Okay, after that I have to click in the save option. Now here you can see the OAuth information. So whatever will be your site ID, I am creating in localhost, so I am copying this. So you have to paste it here and after that here also you have to paste that. After that here you can see the continue option, click on that. So no need to do anything here. Again click on the continue option. Here also no need to change anything. Again click in the continue option. And here you can see the meeting SDK. Enable that. Because here you can see that is meeting SDK app. Okay. So I have to enable that. After that again I have to click in the continue option. Again let me click in the continue option. Again continue, and here actually I have to add one scope. If you come to the documentation, here you can see one scope I have to add. So just copy it, come back here, click in the add scope, search it, this one, and after that I have to click in the done option. So after that again click in the continue option, again continue. So it's done here. So again let me come back to the basic information. So once done, copy the client ID from here, come back here, here is the client ID, paste it. Now client secret is there, so that is the client secret. Click in the copy, come back here and click in the paste. Now after that you have to click in the save option. So after setup anything, here you can see lot of extra option added here. Before only alt event and setting was there, but now you can see lot of extra option added here. So now for creating a new meeting, you have to click in this add new event. So after that here you have to enter the meeting title. Now here if you want to add some description, you can always write it here. After that scroll down, as you can see meeting host, it already come, my name and my email ID showing here. After that meeting type, it is a meeting or webinar. You have to select that. Suppose that is a meeting. I am choosing meeting. After start date and time, suppose this meeting is on 20th November 2025 and the starting time will be around 4. Okay. Now from here I have to choose the time zone. So I am from India, so I am choosing this time zone. After the meeting duration, suppose the meeting is for 1 hour 15 minutes. Password if required you have to enter here. Next scroll down. So here you can see auto recording. So if you want recording feature, then you can choose where you want to record, in cloud or in local. Suppose I'm choosing local. So the meeting will be saved in local computer only. Okay. Now if you want to add some extra information, always you can add it here. After entering everything, if you want to add any feature image for that meeting, so you have to click in this set feature image option. Now you can choose any image, and after that you have to click in the set feature image. Once done, you have to click in the publish option. And here actually if you want to add any category of the meeting, always you can add it here also. So after publishing, let me check the preview. So this kind of meeting page will open. Now from here, let me click in this join to Zoom meeting. Let me click in the open. Let me click in the start. So as you can see, one participant already added. So everything is working perfectly. Let me close the meeting, click in the end and end meeting for all. So after that you can see this kind of pop-up will open. Let me close it, and here you can see this meeting audio and video already recorded in your local computer. Okay. So now let me teach you how you can integrate this Zoom meeting in your courses. There is no direct option is available for the free version. You have to do it manually. So that is my Zoom meeting, and here you can see the permalink. Right click, click in the copy link. Now let me come back to the courses. Suppose I want to add the Zoom meeting to this course. So let me open the course. As I tell you, there is no direct option is available. So we have to add the meeting manually. Suppose I want to add the Zoom meeting in the description. So suppose I am writing join Zoom meeting after completing the course. Now suppose I want to insert the link here. Just click here, and after that here you can see the insert or edit link here. Just click on that, and here actually I have to write the link, and after that you have to click in the apply option. So now let me click in the update, and after that let me check the preview. So let me open the course description. Click in the show more. So as you can see here, the Zoom meeting link is working here. If I click here, you can see it's opening in the meeting. And by clicking in this join Zoom meeting or start meeting, any student can join in the meeting. Now if you want to add this Zoom meeting link in the curriculum, you can do that also. Suppose here in this topic I am adding it. So let me click in the add lesson. The lesson name I am giving as Zoom meeting, and here suppose I am writing here join the Zoom meeting after completing the course by clicking here, and after that let me select this, click in this. Now just copy this permalink, come back here, insert the link here, and after that you have to click in the apply option, and after that you have to click in the save option. So in this way you can integrate the Zoom meeting link in your lessons also. So hope you understand the concept, and after that obviously you have to click in the update option. So hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. And if you subscribe my channel, that motivates me a lot to create this kind of interesting video for you. So please, I'm requesting to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about this kind of interesting videos from my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.